Wow. Hinog na gid siya. Sige. Grabe kay hinog. Isa. Gawang ba? Di gawang daan pala, di ko gawang naman. Ingat manugod siya. Nakara. Hinog na gid siya guys. Ang itong tilawan. Ang itong langka. Tugtuod na may wala nakakaon ng langka ni Manding. Okay. Dili may mahaddan. Kami ka. Itong pitasam. Tamis kayo eh. Muna akong ganahan silang langka dito kaya. Tamis kayo. Sada rin, huwag natin mga tanong. Kaya makakaon dito lang. Nancy! You too much like. You try. You try it. Faster! Faster kang ba? Ay, nag-video ta.
It's very sticky.
Na, yes, Get.
Mama, why that with this is very sticky?
Yes, the God do that one. Sticky. Faster, here. Sit down here. Please say hi, guys. Sit down. Hi, guys. Yummy or not?
Yummy.
Don't eat again?
Yes.
Enough that one?
I want more.
You want more? You said you don't like. This is the fruits you like from Tita Eden. You see, Tita? There? You go there? Last time?
Yes.
Yes.
You mean another auntie is there?
Yes, that Ate Alia there. This is nice.
With my mom.
Kamis kayo.
Another auntie said, then say maybe you, Mama, I will tell you. I want to come back. I want to go there next time.
Alright, we'll come back there next time.
Yeah, I like that one.
You like there?
Yeah.
Gano'n, dito naman din ka. Luwag man. Luwag man kayo madagan-daganan dito. Agano. Ubus man ni Asya niya. Nakita naman ako nga guwang. Ano ito, giputuli man din. Dirty? No. Here. Put here. Again. You like it? You too, huh?